个已经是古董了。
I remember this.
Oh.
Do I press this?
Share with us your favorite memory at the center.
My favorite time in school is when I build uniquely during my STEMI lessons. It's an invention that helps to wash the dirty toys and recycle water. It was not easy, but my teacher helped me. I interviewed my friends and it was very fun.
在巴克赛 Center 每天都有很多节目，有很多东西学习，还有很多东西做。
最近我们在玩那个无人机足球，那是我最新喜欢的一种回忆。它太刺激了，它是以一种创新的方式来训练我们的思维跟协调能力，终于明白说活到老要动到老这样。
So I come to the center every day. I'm retired. I have a lot of time on my hands. Sometimes I will help them to prepare for the events and also for the activities. My favorite memories in the center is monthly birthday celebrations for everyone's birthday. We meet and we have a big family gathering. The Sparkle Care community spirit is very strong.
How has PCF made a difference to you and your family?
So all my 3 kids, they attend Sparkle Tots. We've seen how they've become more independent, especially our middle child, Dani. I've seen him improve a lot in terms of communication. He's able to express his emotions using words.
So for our child, Elliot, I've definitely noticed that he has become more sociable after joining Sparkle Tots.
He used to be very anxious and reserved in new places, perhaps due to his visual impairment. But after a very short time of joining the school, you can see he become more confident in new places and new environment. So the parents, the teachers' encouragement, and the organisation together, they have fostered an environment of empathy that has really helped Elliot mix into the group.
Of course, we are very grateful for the collaboration from the teachers. He has definitely given us a peace of mind knowing that Elliot is in good care, so that it allows us to focus on work and support the family.
I've been with PCF since 1993 for 32 years. That's a big part of my life in PCF as a second home. And this is my ex-student, okay, Miss Shakila here.
So I used to attend PCF a long time ago when I was a toddler. My mom also remembers her as Miss Tan. So PCF gave me a very solid foundation, and now that I'm teaching here as well, I'm also building the same strong foundation for the children.
What makes you enjoy what you do?
I enjoy meeting the seniors with all their happy faces. After joining this volunteering group, I have learned a lot of things also, and also keep me very active. I should say I'm much younger for my age. I'm already 73.
For me, it's seeing children like Shakila grow into 5 young adults who inspire and support me as a colleague.
So Miss Tan and I share a very nice bond, much like honeybees. We always find each other. You know, she always encourages me not to give up, and it's really incredibly rewarding to grow under her guidance.
Next question.
So, what do you want to do in the future?
Hello.
Hello, Zara.
Are you a teacher?
No, I'm the voice from the tape recorder. Just like this retro device, it has transformed over the years to a smartphone like this, where we can even use to listen to music. PCF has also grown with the changes. So what do you want to do in the future, Zara? Wait, let me record your answers in this smartphone.
I got many ideas to invent things. I want to invent a Lego sorter and a first aid band for the visually impaired kids and a food bowl for my pet hamster.
For close to 4 decades, PCF has quietly shaped Singapore by nurturing confident children, supporting parents, empowering teachers, and honoring our seniors. Together, we are building a home rooted in purpose and ensuring the next 60 years are as inspiring as the first. High five.